Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 3 and you are welcome to the lecture number 6 of your English subject, that is punctuation, and we are going to do it on workbook page number 38 and 39. So all of you open your pages. Hey students, I have opened your workbook page number 38 and you can see the word punctuation here. So let's read the statement. पंक्चुएशन क्या होता है, क्या सिस्टम है इसका. अ सेंटेंस इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. सबसे पहले आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज़ अ सेंटेंस. आ सेंटेंस इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स डैट मेक्स अ कंप्लीट सेंस. के एक सेंटेंस लफ्ज़ों का मजमुआ होता है जिससे हमें पूरी बात समझ आ जाती है. अ सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. एक सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. एज यू नो, इट्स द रूल ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज डेट वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट द न्यू सेंटेंस with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. If you are reading the simple or writing the simple sentence, so it ends with a full stop. We use a question mark at the end of a question. तो हम क्या करते हैं, अगर किसी सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है तो उसके लास्ट में आप क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. Students, here I want to tell you the definition of punctuation. That punctuation is the system of marks. कि punctuation एक marks का system होता है. And what are these marks? These are comma, full stop, question mark. We are also having many other punctuation marks, but at your level these are enough for you. So I was reading the definition of punctuation. Punctuation is the system of marks used in writing to make its meaning clear for the reader. जो पंक्चुएशन होती है वो मार्क्स का एक सिस्टम होता है जिसको हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं ताकि एक पढ़ने वाले के लिए आसानी पैदा हो. Put the correct punctuation marks, i.e. capital letters. As you know, we always start the first letter with the sentence with the capital letter. And students, remember, you are not supposed to write the first letter of your sentence capital, but if you are writing some person name, particular person name, thing or place, you will write the first letter of it capital. Like if you are writing a place name Karachi in your sentence, so you will write the first letter of Karachi K capital. Next one is commas. Commas are short pauses, full stops, end करते हैं सेंटेंस का, एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क्स में हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. सो आवर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है जैक एंड जिल वेंट अप द हिल. यहाँ पे उन्होंने जो पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स हैं उनको स्किप किया हुआ है और छोटी छोटी सी उन्होंने हमें मिस्टेक्स करके कहा हुआ है कि इनको ठीक करें. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल we always write the first letter capital. So here I have written J for Jack and J for Jill capital because these are the names of two persons. Went up the hill. After hill you will place a full stop because it's a simple sentence. इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा गया आपसे, so we will place here full stop. Are they taking English lessons? This is your question. So we are writing the first letter of this sentence capital. Are they taking English? इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं तो ये एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट है हमारा. सो वी आर राइटिंग E capital for English. Lessons at the end I have placed here question mark. Why is it so? Because we are asked a question here. Are they taking English lessons? Okay, next one is have you put the apple in a custard dish? Have, H would be capital for have you put the apple in a custard dish. It's a question, so we are placing here question mark. Next one is did the boys enjoy? Students, here they have added ed, but it's wrong because we always write first form of your verb with did. So don't be confused, just take your pencil and mark it cross. Did the boys enjoy the elephant ride? D is capital because it's the start of your sentence. The boys enjoy the elephant ride. we will write here question mark. Why? Because it is a question. The boy was greedy, naughty and lazy. Now, according to the rule, we will write first letter capital. We are given here 3 different qualities of a boy. So, we are writing here comma between not greedy and naughty and lazy. At the end, you will place here full stop because it's a simple sentence. Just information about a boy has been given to us. Mother goes for a walk every morning. This is also simple sentence. So M capital for mother goes for a walk every morning. At the end, full stop. My father bought onions, cauliflowers, peas and cabbage. Here you can see a list of your vegetables. So we will place commas between them. My M for my capital. Father bought onions, comma, cauliflowers, comma, peas and cabbage. Students, if you are finding your line shorter than your writing, so you can simply draw a straight line here and you can write the remaining words on this line. Where is Amjad going? This is also a question, so we are writing the first letter capital. Where is Amjad? Yes, here the name of a particular person has come, so you will write A for Amjad capital, going, then question mark. स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर हमें पंक्चुएशन में कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना होता है. हमने यहाँ पे जस्ट लेटर्स को, यानी ये नहीं कि आपने वर्ड्स को चेंज करना होता है. यहाँ पे आपने अपने जो पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स होते हैं उनको लगाना होता है और फर्स्ट लेटर्स को आपने कैपिटल करना होता है. एक पर्सन्स के लेटर्स को कैपिटल करना होता है. सो मूव टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पेज. हेयर वी आर हैविंग अ पैराग्राफ and we will separate the sentences with the help of capital letters and full stops. Add capital letters, full stops and comma to the following. Okay, let's start the paragraph. Saima and Saira both went to Dare Arqam school. Sorry, I was reading from here. Saima and Saira both went to Dare Arqam school. Students, you can see here we are reading the names of three particular names, like 2 names of girls and 1 name of your school. So you will write S for Saima capital and as it is Saira. S for Saira both went to Dare Arqam. It's the particular name of your school, so you will write D for Dar, A for Arqam, S for school, and at the end you will place full stop like this. They were in class 3. This is the next sentence, so we are separating this sentence with the help of full stop. So I have placed here full stop. They were in class 3. The next sentence is their teacher was called Miss Aisha. So you will write T for their capital. Teacher was called Miss Aisha. So it's a name of a particular person. So you will write M for Miss and A for Aisha capital. Then full stop. She was very good teacher. Miss Aisha. So next, she was very good teacher. This is another sentence, so we are placing full stop at the end of the previous sentence and we are writing the next sentence with the help of capital letter. She was very good teacher. Then full stop. She wore a scarf, gown and gloves. Here they have given us 3 things related to Miss Aisha. So we are separating these things with the help of comma. So we are writing here she wore a scarf, comma, gown and gloves. Then full stop. Her father worked in the Mizan Bank on Tariq Road. Her, H for her would be capital. Father worked in the Mizan Bank. It's the name of a particular place, so we will write M for Mizan and B for bank capital on Tariq Road. Tariq Road is also the name of a particular place, so you will write T for Tariq, R for road. Tariq Road. As I have written here, her father worked in the Mizan Bank on Tariq Road. So students, this was the punctuation system. We have done it clearly. So kindly इसको अच्छे तरीके से समझें कि पंक्चुएशन होती क्या है, फुल स्टॉप किसके लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, कैपिटल लेटर्स क्यों इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, फॉर व्हाट पर्पस पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स इज. इंशाल्लाह in the next lecture we will read about quotation marks. So stay happy and be happy. Allah Hafiz.